Yes. First Pavni, after that Pragya, then Anushka. Okay? So
Subject verb agreement. First, fill in the blanks with suitable words to produce a meaningful passage. One has been done for you as an example. I met Anita while I was working in London as a waitress. She used to dash in with a notebook
Right.
Right.
yes, she used
and
to.
dash in
Right.
the window
What happened? Is there connection?
and dash away.
Run away.
We used to dash about what it was like when we dash students.
We used to talk
Used to
about what
talk
it was
about.
like when we used to be students.
And how great it dash not to have exams anymore.
How great it is not
It
to
was.
have exams anymore.
I dash such a surprise when the other day I dash her on TV.
What
I got.
happened? Anyone?
I
Any
got
problem? I am not
I
finding.
saw
I
her
got
on
such
the
a
TV.
surprise.
I
I
got
got
such a
and
surprise when
when
the other day I
saw
saw
her.
her on the TV.
She was dash celebrities of international fame.
Actually, the first you should have read the. You do one thing. First, read the whole paragraph with that, and then he'll ask for the answer. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. I met Anita while I was working in London as a waitress. She used to dash in with a notebook and dash in the window and dash away. We used to dash about what it was like when we dash students and how great it dash not to have exams anymore. I dash such a surprise when the other day I dash her on TV. She was dash celebrities of international fame.
Okay. First, I met Anita while I was working in London as a waitress. So, what is the sentence form over here? Simple past
I met Anita.
and
I'm
past continuous. I met this sentence is
Right.
simple past and
I met Anita
while I was working in London. So while is what?
Ma'am Linker.
Yes, while is linker. So two sentences are joined by the linker while. One is in simple past, another is in past continuous. Now she used to dash in with a notebook. Used to means
Right.
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 yes.
Right.
Two always goes with V1, as we know. So she used to write with a notebook and dash
Throw in the
Throw.
window.
Throw in the window.
and throw in the window and
Run away.
Run away.
Run away.
Run away.
okay. She used to write. Okay, she used to up write in with a notebook and what did you say? Throw in the window
Throw.
and ran away. What did you say?
Ma'am run away.
Run away.
Run away.
Run away.
Run
Yes.
away.
Because I told that means as the rule is there, it goes with V1. So run away. Okay. We used to
Talk.
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 okay about what it was like when we were
When we used to be
When we
students.
used to be students.
yes when we used to be students. Why we will write when you we used to write about what it was like when we were students. Why to write to means because we used to talk. When we used to talk means when she was working in London as a waitress. So here we can write that when we were students. And how great it
It is.
It is.
Is.
yes we are because we are name. How we can't write
Was.
How great it was not to have exams anymore.
because the sentence started with simple past. Here we are supposed to think, and it is not the right simple present. When we talk about universal truth, when we talk about habitual action, when we talk about general routine, daily routine, so these things we used to write. But here it is not like that. Here, if it is geographical fact also, we write simple present, but we can't write simple present here because we are talking about exams anymore. And the sentence started with simple past. So we will write verb in simple past. So what will be the verb?
Was.
Was.
And how
It was.
great it was not to have exams anymore. Next. I dash such a surprise.
Got.
I got.
I got.
Okay, if your sentence is got, we will write. I got such a surprise when other day
I
I
saw
I
her
I
on
saw.
TV.
saw her on TV.
yeah, I got such a surprise when here so many words can I felt here the most suitable word is got. I got such a surprise when the other day I saw her on TV or I found her on TV. But the most suitable was saw. She was
One of the celebrities.
One of the.
uh, celebrities of international fame. Okay, this one is done. Anyone, any doubts?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, okay, 11 students are in waiting room. Let me see.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Next.
Ma'am, second line में doubt.
What happened?
Second line में ma'am. Yeah.
I didn't get your words.
Ma'am, second line ma'am. She used to bow.
See,
मैम सेकंड लाइन में पूछ रहा है शी
Ma'am,
यूज्ड
she
टू के बाद
used to के बाद जो
क्या होगा?
she used to write. Write in Okay. Is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Okay, question number 2. Pragya wants to start now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Pragya, start.
Second, read the following instructions being given by a teacher. There is one error in each line. Underline the error and write the correction in the space provided. One has been done as an example. The bus leaves the school at 9 a.m. and we arrive at the study center.
Arrives,
And
ma'am.
We
the error
arrive.
And
Arrive.
instead of arrive.
Arrive.
What will be?
Ma'am, arrive होगा, arrives नहीं
Arrive.
होगा.
Arrive.
arrive.
Yes. Okay. So the bus
Before
leaves
lunch.
the school at 9 a.m. and we arrive. ARRIVE. We arrive. Here it is wrong. Arrive. S or ES. Where we at?
मैम जब सिंगुलर होगा तो
Third person singular
Yeah.
number. We add S
Ma'am.
or ES.
Third person, ma'am.
Third person singular number.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone knows first person.
Yes, ma'am.
singular
Yes,
number.
ma'am.
Ma'am, first.
Yes, ma'am.
What is first
Ma'am,
person
first-
singular number?
मैम
Ma'am,
am यूज होता
I,
है.
I. What is second? What is first person's plural number?
we, we,
Very nice. What is second person singular number?
they.
You.
No, ma'am. You.
Earlier, हाँ प्रभाकर सर क्लास ले रहे हैं, उसके बाद बात करते हैं. हेलो.
Yes, ma'am.
So first person singular number I, first person plural number we, second person singular number you, second person plural number you. Earlier it
You.
was written down. Okay. Are you people able to look at the blackboard?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
You.
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 in so many poems we have seen a word. Down.
ना आपकी साउंड ठीक से नहीं आ रही है.
No, ma'am. It's okay, ma'am.
It's clear.
It's okay. So, have you people heard down?
Yes,
Down,
ma'am.
E.
Yes, ma'am.
So, earlier it was down. THOU. And the verb goes with are. Yes, you are. We write you are. So, it was down are. And so it is meaning this happen in Middle English. Most of the poems that Shakespearean poems. You people have also read a poem.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the name of
I'm
the
in
poem?
class 7th.
Okay. चलो छोड़ देते हैं अभी हम लोग यहाँ पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करते हैं. And what is third person singular number?
He, she,
He,
it,
He,
and
she,
any
it,
other
a singular number.
It and
name.
he, she, it, and any
name.
name. And what is plural of it?
They.
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 It will be they. Okay. So I singular number, we plural number, you singular number, plural also you, and third person singular number is he, she, it, and any name, and plural is they. Clear? Here we are.
Yes.
We are doing revision. That's why I am just discussing each and every point. So here what will be there? We arrive. We arrive at the study center before lunch. Lunch are to be served at 12:30.
Lunch is to be served.
Is to be served.
मैम was
Lunch is
होना
to
चाहिए
be
था.
served.
Was to be served.
नहीं, is to be served.
No, ma'am. Is,
Because we
ma'am.
are writing
Is.
the- we are
And
writing
is होगा पूरा paragraph.
Ma'am,
Present.
yes, ma'am.
the
Present.
whole
Simple
paragraph.
present.
Paragraph.
Present.
Present.
So the lunch is to be served at 12:30 sharp. Okay, sorry. Pragya was reading. No, why I started? Pragya, continue.
So make sure your friend is there in time.
So what will be there? What is the wrong?
Ma'am,
Is.
is wrong.
Wrong.
Is
And
is wrong.
right is are.
And are.
It should be replaced with
Are.
Are.
are. You and your friend are, because you and your friend makes plural. Are there in time. When lunch finished,
When
When
lunch
lunch
finished,
finishes.
Lunch finishes.
yes, when lunch finishes.
Finish refers to finishes.
When lunch finishes, it will be activity time. If the weather is
Weather होगा.
Ma'am,
Weather.
the weather is
Weather.
fine.
Weather.
Weather.
if weather is fine. Pragya,
yes ma'am.
you continue. I always forget. Chalo. If weather is fine, we can stays on the beach. What will be there?
Ma'am,
Some
is.
stays.
Stays की जगह stay होगा.
Stay.
Stay होगा.
Yes.
Stay.
If weather is fine, we can stay on the beach for the whole afternoon. Each one of you
Is.
Is.
R ma'am, R की जगह is.
are है
Is.
plus is. Each one of is. Each one of you is expected to keep a record of what you find. What will be there?
Find.
Fine.
And submit it when we
Ma'am,
Get
get back.
when we
Get back.
Get back.
Yes. Anywhere, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Last 2 lines repeat कर दीजिए तो.
What happened?
Last 2 lines.
Last two lines. Each one of you is, यहाँ पे verb क्या है, यहाँ पे subject क्या है, each is the subject over here, so each goes with simple
हम
present.
यहाँ लास्ट में फाइंड्स का जगह तो फाइंड हो जाएगा.
What happened? हाँ, so each one of
I'm
you
saying-
is expected to keep a record of what you find and submit it when we get back. Gets जो है वो get होगा. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
मैम एक बार थर्ड रिपीट कर दीजिए.
Okay, मैं पूरा ही repeat करती हूँ. Okay, I am going to read it. The bus leaves the school at 9 a.m. and we arrive at the study center before lunch. Lunch is to be served at 12:30 sharp. So make sure you and your friend are there in time. When lunch finishes, it will be activity time. If the weather is fine, we can stay on the beach for the whole afternoon. Each one of you is expected to keep a record of what you find and submit it when we get back. Done? Anyone, any doubt? Now it is Anushka's turn to start.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Anushka, page 159, question number 3. Question number 3. Start.
Read the following letter Sheila wrote to her aunt. Then fill in the blanks with one suitable word each. One has been done as an example. Dear aunt, thanks for your letter. It was nice to hear from you. And yes, I shall like to come and see you in Spain if I dash enough money when summer holidays start. I dash try and come there if that dash okay with you. Otherwise, I'll come over in the autumn because I will have enough dash by October, provided of course that I'll have my job. Seriously, lots of people in our company dash being fired and it could dash me next time. If I had dash sensible, I would dash left this job ages ago. It sounds like the weather's been really good over there. It dash been terrible here. We dash expecting it to be better soon. If it continues to be miserable and dash at the weekend, we dash take a trip to the hills. Bye for now. Lots of love, Sheila.
Good. So what will be, thanks for your letter. It was nice to hear from you. And yes, I shall like to come and see you in Spain if I, what will it-
I have.
Had.
Have.
if I
Ma'am.
had,
मैम had की have
Have होगा मैम.
मैम had ना.
Had.
मैम had.
have होगा ना.
I
मैम
shall,
have होगा.
यहाँ पे what is the question? I shall like to.
मैम फ्यूचर में है.
मैम तो I
ये
shall have.
I shall है तो simple future हुआ ना. I shall like to come and
Have
see you.
लगेगा.
Have.
Simple, ये conditionals पढ़े थे.
Yes, ma'am.
क्या था conditional 1? Conditional 1, conditional 2, conditional 3. Simple future goes with simple present. यही था ना?
Yes, ma'am.
किसी को conditional, do you people remember? 3 types of conditionals are there. Just try to find the answer and tell me. All types of conditionals with example. यहाँ पे हम लोग क्वेश्चन का सिर्फ आंसर नहीं जानेंगे. We are here to revise the whole thing. Conditionals with example. What is the first conditional? Who will answer? I have given you clue also.
Ma'am, if plus
present
present simple is
if
equal
plus
to
present
present
simple
simple.
present plus infinitive.
So what will be the answer over here?
I have.
I have.
मैम I shall have.
हाँ, तो shall और will सेम ही हुआ ना.
Yes.
shall और will तो सेम ही हुआ ना.
तो मैम दोनों का भी अलग अलग पॉसिबिलिटीज में यूज होता है.
हाँ, पॉसिबिलिटी में यूज होता है अलग अलग. एक तो यहाँ पे अगर
लेकिन
टीचर की बात करें तो will is accepted everywhere.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But here we are not talking of model. We are not. जब मॉडल हम लोग पढ़ते हैं तो उसमें मूड के हिसाब से वो चेंज होता है. But here we are. I shall. तो ठीक है, but है तो सिंपल फ्यूचर ही ना. I shall like to come and see you in Spain if I have enough money. Okay. Okay, who will tell me second form of conditional?
Ma'am, if plus past simple past plus verb plus infinitive.
Anyone, any example? Anyone, any example? Should I give you conditionals homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
yes.
Then in our Friday's class, after doing sentence structure, we will switch over to conditionals. Okay? And your exam will be started in the month of March.
Yes, ma'am.
Probably from 1st March. Okay. Our date sheet has come. I will share it.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, have
Yes,
you people
ma'am.
seen it? Have you people seen
No,
it?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. We have got.
Oh, you have got it. Well. Okay. So, should we switch over? I think only 6 minutes are left. Okay. So what will be next? I dash.
I will try.
I will try.
I will try.
Okay. And from there,
If that is okay
If
with
that
you.
is okay with
If
you.
that is okay with you.
if that is okay with you. Next. Otherwise, I will come over in the autumn because I will have
Enough
Enough
money by
money.
October.
Enough money by October.
enough
Money.
Money.
by October, provided, of course, that I still have my job. Seriously, lots of people in our country
Are being fired.
Are being
are being fired and
Could be me next time.
It could be me
Be
next.
me.
It could be me next. If I had
Being
Being
sensible.
sensible.
Being sensible.
if I had been sensible, I would
I
I
would
would have left.
Have
I would
left
have.
this job.
I would have left this job ages ago. It sounds like the weather has been really good over there.
Has been terrible.
Has
Has
been terrible
been
here.
terrible here.
It has been because it sounds here we are talking about simple present. So it has been terrible here. We
Are expecting.
Are expecting.
Are
are expecting.
are expecting it to be better soon. As you people can say, it is true in our context. In our context also, do you people like this weather as we are having?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, it is. Extreme of anything is not good. If it continues to be miserable,
Till at the weekend.
what did you say?
Till.
Ma'am, tell.
हम टेल होगा तो एट नहीं होगा और एट होगा तो टेल नहीं होगा.
Yes, ma'am. बहुत confusion है इसमें.
If it continues to be
Also,
at the weekend, if it continues to be miserable also at the weekend, we
Will take a trip to the hills.
yes. So is this
We-
okay? Anyone, any doubt? Only 2 minutes are left.
Ma'am, second line में shall have है.
मैम लास्ट वाला डैश में कांट हो सकता है क्या?
किस डैश में?
लास्ट वाला.
लास्ट वाले में.
क्या वी कैन ही होगा, can't नहीं. अच्छा, वी कांट टेक अ ट्रिप टू द हिल. देखो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, जब वेदर what our thinking is, if weather is so means you can say that it is so cold, do people love to go to snow?
मैम लास्ट में मिजरेबल के बाद वाला डैश में क्या होगा?
कैन होना चाहिए. वी मे टेक अ, कैन भी नहीं होना चाहिए, मे होना चाहिए, because it is probability over here. If
We must.
Ma'am, second line में क्या होगा?
okay, first I am starting from the beginning. Okay. One student. Okay. Two students are here. No, everyone is there. Okay. How many students are there? Actually, only 51. Okay, I don't know
Yes, ma'am.
why. Earlier it was very nice. Strength used to be very nice, but now I am finding strength is not good. And one thing also I wanted to say, do you people see what I send every day morning through your snap on
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But it is very less. 5 sections I am teaching. 5 sections means more than 200 students. At least 100 students should see. थोड़ी सी मुझे भी तो मोटिवेशन मिलनी चाहिए ना. चलो इतने बच्चे बेनिफिटेड हो रहे हैं तो मुझे भेजना चाहिए एवरीडे. आई थिंक द थिंग्स आर, डू यू पीपल लाइक जितने भी idioms and phrases?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you people tried to make sentence? एक sentence तो मैं बना, मतलब से बना हुआ होता है as an example. हाँ, और दूसरी चीजें हैं, तुम लोग स्नैप होमवर्क पे सब्सक्राइब भी